Ridgid fans, the wait is over. You no longer need to buy into another battery platform for lawn care tools. Ridgid outdoor power equipment is coming to the Home Depot soon. For its first generation, there's a nice selection of products to get you started, and they're all 100% compatible with Ridgid 18-volt batteries. Kicking off the Ridgid outdoor power equipment system is an 18-volt string trimmer. It's a 14-inch brushless model that's capable of flipping the cutter to make it a more battery-efficient 12-inch cutting swath. It uses 095 line and has a 2-speed selection switch along with variable speed trigger for control. It's available either as a bare tool or as a kit with a 4 amp hour battery and charger. Ridgid is no stranger to blowers, having produced several for job site use and doubling for lawn care for many Ridgid users. This model produces up to 510 CFM and 130 miles per hour. To control the blowing force, there's a variable speed trigger plus cruise control and a turbo button. If you're still having trouble getting stubborn debris to move, there's a metal scraper on the nozzle to give it a nudge. This one comes as a bare tool or in a kit configuration that includes a 6 amp hour max output battery and charger. The Ridgid outdoor power equipment line's first chainsaw is a brushless 12-inch model. It's a rear-handle design with a 10 meter per second chain speed and recommended max capacity of 10 inches. There's an automatic oiling system with a translucent reservoir to keep an eye on your oil levels. One thing to note is that the chain tensioner does require a tool, but that's pretty common. You can get Ridgid's chainsaw as a bare tool or as a kit with a 6 amp hour max output battery. Ridgid's Hedge Trimmer comes across as a more well-developed tool than most first-generation models. It has 22-inch knives capable of cutting branches up to an inch in diameter, plus an anti-jam design to keep you cutting smoothly. The handle rotates 180 degrees, making cutting at different angles easier, and its magnesium gearbox reduces the overall weight you're carrying. The Ridgid Hedge Trimmer comes as a bare tool or as a kit with a 2 amp hour battery and charger. When we heard Ridgid outdoor power equipment was on its way, we weren't expecting a battery-powered auger to be part of the initial launch. Ridgid surprised us with a dual battery brushless system designed to offer gas-like performance. It has 2 speeds to work with and an anti-kickback system to protect you in a bind-up. It uses a quick connect attachment system so you can use the 8-inch bit that comes with the tool or pick up other sizes you may need. Pick the Ridgid battery-powered auger up as a bare tool or as a kit with 2 4 amp hour batteries. The Ridgid outdoor power equipment line rounds out its initial launch with a battery-powered backpack sprayer. Boasting a 4-gallon capacity, it can apply up to 105 gallons on a single charge with a spraying distance up to 37 feet. The tank is translucent, making it easier to keep an eye on your liquid levels. The material choices in the construction make it rated to handle water, herbicides, insecticides, and fungicides, along with most lawn and garden chemicals. Pick this one up as a bare tool or with a 2 amp hour battery and charger. Looking over the line, this initial launch seems to target homeowner needs primarily. There are also excellent tools to keep on hand for tradesmen that may need to clear overgrowth on job sites from time to time. Now, there's no Ridgid lawnmower in the lineup as of right now, so that's the most obvious gap we expect to see filled at some point in the future. In addition to the tools above, there are also 8 amp hour and 12 amp hour Ridgid EXP battery packs for 2023. The additional capacity, along with the fact that there's already a dual battery auger, leads us to believe that a lawnmower won't be too far behind. Now, you may have noticed we didn't give you any pricing information in this, and that's because it's not available at the time we're shooting this video. So as soon as it's available, Austin's going to put those numbers in the description for you below. If you're excited for this new OPE line from Ridgid, leave a like on the video. If you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and as always, thanks for watching.